Hi, I'm Katie with WTI. I've been so excited to get started on yard work this spring. One of the tools that I added to my arsenal is this Fiskars edger. What's great about this edger is that it's nice and strong, and it is the perfect size for me. So I am 5'5", and this comes almost up to my belly button. So when I use it, there is no bending over. I have a bad lower back and I can't do that constantly. So this tool has definitely been a lifesaver. I like that as opposed to a curved edge like shovels have. It is completely flat. So you can get lined up right along with your concrete and have that nice, clean, straight edge. It does have a nice lip over the top to be able to put your boot or shoe on to press it down firmly. The handle stays on nice and secure. I don't feel like it was loose or wobbly at all. It's been great for cutting through the grass that seems to grow over our patio or our walkways every single year and just give it that nice, clean, finished look. I've been so happy to use this edger by Fiskars, and I think you should check it out. And that's my point of view.